Driving around the city. Here, hold it for me, please. Point it that way. I'm going shopping. Yeah. Okay, gotta turn it off now just in case cop comes.